Hello YouTube. Here with another Blu-ray unboxing, and I just got this in. It is The Thing Collector's Edition from Universal Studios. So let's get this unboxing going here. Alright guys, ordered it straight from Zavi. I like that they kept that studio canal kind of image and packaging, because I got all of them, including the steel books. One of my favorite all-time John Carpenter movies. I think I saw it in the theater 5 times. I saw it in theater at least. When I was in my younger days. Very nice box, sturdy booklet. Let's see what's inside the digipack. Got a poster and some photo cards. Wouldn't exactly say lobby cards. Take a look at the back here of this digipack. Love that scene in the movie. Of course, the Ultra HD disc with the new artwork on it. The regular Blu-ray. The 2011 prequel. Some say it's a reboot. No, it's a prequel. And of course the soundtrack CD. Like the artwork on that too. And inside, nice photos of the cast. This is an awesome collector's edition so far. Loving it. Let's check out the booklet here. Nothing in the back there. Original script extracts. Original concept illustrations of The Thing. If you really want to, always wondered what the sequel would be like, there is a comic book out there called The Thing, the first series, by Dark Horse Comics, and it takes over what happens after the end of The Thing. It's an awesome story. Poster here. That's with the new commission artwork on it. Some photo cards of images from the film. They're nice. Nice shot of the cast right here. Everybody knows what that scene is. Yeah, that's it for this unboxing. Still waiting for my steelbook, which hasn't arrived, and I'm getting a little nervous, but hopefully it'll be here in a couple of days. Hearing great things about the transfer, so I'm really looking forward to checking this out. Hey, if you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.